A busy pub, and at first a rather shocking sight. It looks like they're smoking. This is what people here are using. It's an electronic cigarette. It comes in two parts. In this end, there's liquid nicotine, which is vaporized by a battery in this end. It gives the user a hit of nicotine without the tar, and it's the tar in ordinary cigarettes that kills. What looks like smoke is largely water vapor.
I've tried patches and inhalators, that sort of thing before. I think they're a lot better because you get obviously the vapour, so it feels more like you're having a cigarette.
I think they're a great idea actually. You've got the health benefits from it. And well, it does taste like a cigarette.
The e-cigarette market is growing fast. The number of users expected to reach 1 million this year. Some medical experts see huge potential benefits.
Nicotine itself is not a particularly hazardous drug, something on a par with the effects that you get from caffeine.
Professor John Britton leads the Tobacco Advisory Group for the Royal College of Physicians.
If all the smokers in Britain stopped smoking cigarettes and started smoking e-cigarettes, we would save 5 million deaths in people who are alive today.
A big claim. There are, however, concerns about the safety and regulation of e-cigarettes. They can legally be sold to children. There are no restrictions on advertising. Some critics say it glamorizes something that looks like smoking. And unlike patches or gum, e-cigarettes aren't regulated like medicines. It means there are no rules, for example, about the purity of the nicotine in them.
Are e-cigarettes safe?
The simple answer is we don't know whether e-cigarettes are safe. It's going to take some time before we do, because we'll need to see them in use and to study very carefully what the effects of e-cigarettes are. I would either take them off the shelves, or I would very heavily regulate them so that we knew that the contents of each was very fixed.
This is an e-cigarette company in Manchester. The health regulator, the MHRA, is now looking closely at companies like this to see if they need more stringent regulation. Here, they say they take safety seriously, but accept rules for the whole industry need to be tightened.
We would welcome regulation that ensures that the product can't be sold to anyone under the age of 18. And secondly, also to regulate the purity and the quality of the liquid that goes into these products.
Many questions remain. Should this be allowed in a public place? At this IT office, employees can use e-cigarettes. Other companies have banned it. But as demand grows, this may become a much more common sight in the future.